Rise and grind back at y'all with another video with the Pull-Up King. Alright man, this video I got a 2004 Honda Pilot, and we're doing a variable timing solenoid replacement. It's this whole unit right here. The oil filter, it actually connects to it, but it's leaking from these gaskets back here. It's leaking. This is the part number 918173. All right, I got that from AutoZone. Let me show you what the leak looking like. Show you how we gonna get this replaced, man. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion. I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Alright, so we on the passenger side. Got the wheel off. And that part is actually located. Oil filter. And that's the unit. 3 bolts holding it in. See, I done cleaned it up before and dried it up, and I was looking for the leak, and I could see it was coming from that unit. But we're gonna get this off, take these clips. Clip to go in there, it's already out. Get that down. It's got one right at the bottom as well. Alright, so we're gonna remove this connector here. So this is where that other harness is. I'm trying to get a good shot of it. Focus. Alright. There we go. So the one to the right is the one that we're aiming for. Gotta get that clip off. Alright, so I went back up top, right? This is the connector. See that? Now, I got it from the top. I just pressed the tab and pulled up on it, but right now it's still connected down there. That end right there, got to get it off of that bracket. And that's how it looks. So it's connected right there. We're gonna have to press this tab and pull it. Alright, we got it off. Now we're gonna go back to the bottom and get these bolts out. As you can see, 1, 2, 3. Got our pan up under it, catching it. I got them all undone. I'm going to get this last one out. I'm going to pull this unit out. And it's out. That's what we looking like. So those gaskets had to go bad. Must have been too flat. Started leaking that oil because it was fresh oil. It wasn't old oil. So found the location and we swapping it out. So we're gonna clean this up and spray it down some brake cleaner, get all this clean before we add that new one in there. Got it all cleaned up. Alright, brand new part. Everything matching up. See how the gasket kind of sits out kind of pokes out. Got that bulge in it. That's what keeps the oil in there. You can see that that's a crack right there in that gasket. So he definitely needed this here. So we're gonna get him good. Swap this out. All right, we got it in there. Got those 12mm bolts tightened down. Get those torqued down. We got a new pan installed. Looking good. If you want to see how that the pan installation is done, I got a video up already on the channel. Link in the description. Valve cover gasket's leaking. Smoking up.